Key points before Jeremy gives us a full demo and product rundown on the job site. The Super Shear is made in America. It allows you to complete jobs faster, safer, and in ultimate comfort.
Nice and easy. I always let the saw do the cutting. You don't have to go wide open or it's gonna shake you to death. I just do about half throttle.
Is it durable? Yep. Jeremy's been using this product in the field for 10 years now.
Hi, I'm Jeremy with Jeremy Sales.
There's 3 versions, a hand saw, a corded saw, and a cordless saw. Hand saws are great for small jobs in tight areas, but look at the simplicity and speed you can expect when using a powered Super Shear.
That's it.
That took all of about 3 minutes flat.
Yeah.
There's blades for both open and closed cell foam, and the offset gives you cleaner cuts and makes this family of saws a joy to use.
A benefit of our saw is that it's offset, so I can put this saw flat up against the studs and trim without bowing the blade.
If you go with a Super Shear, you're gonna need less equipment. There's no grinders, there's no vacuums. That means less mess, faster cleanup. If you've ever had to trim foam insulation before, you know how important this is.
So I want to explain to everybody a little bit about the features on the Super Shear and what we took into consideration when we were designing this saw. The first important feature is the offset on the blade here. It's not coming straight out of the middle of the saw, it is offset. The reason for that is so that you do not have to bend your blade to meet the foam. It gives you a straight, true cut, and you're not cutting extra foam out between the studs. You got a nice straight cut. So very, very important. The next thing is the shaft. When you buy these Sawzalls, doesn't matter what brand, DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, they all have a very thin wall shaft that's actually hollow. We've designed our own solid steel shaft that goes in these saws. So we strip the saw down. We actually take the parts out, the drive components that connect to the shaft. We chromium diamond plate those so they're stronger. We're adding strength there. Then we hook the solid steel shaft onto that. So we've got a very, very strong saw, very strong connection there. Should be bulletproof, should last forever. The next feature would be the T-handle. Very important to keep your hand away from the pinch point, okay? If we did not have this T-handle, your hand would go underneath the saw naturally, like you would use a regular Sawzall, and you're gonna be fairly close to the pinch point or to the blade, okay? So this keeps your hand away from the blade. You've got a nice guard here, again, keeping your hand safe. So it's very balanced, very easy to use, whether you're cutting overhead, cutting the ceiling all day long. The corded model is gonna be the lightest model on the market. If you don't wanna use the T-handle, again, it's balanced very well. You can actually trim walls one-handed. The foam is helping to support that into the blade, and you just go right down the wall. So once you get good at it, you'll find yourself doing that, giving your hand a break. These saws come in battery options, M18, and it also comes in a corded model. The corded models are 120 volt, so we recommend if you're in a different country that has different voltage, that's one of the main reasons we came up with the battery option. You can buy these saws and use them in any country around the world. You just buy your local Milwaukee battery with your local charger that's the correct amperage, and you're in business no matter what country you're in, no matter what your voltage or amperage is in your country. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions, I'm always available. Just reach out.